Hello friends, my name is Amit, and in this video I'm going to discuss about how to retrieve Windows 10 uh, product key in case if you have lost or you just forgot or you lost your information. So the problem here we are having that we have lost the Windows 10 product key and now we want to retrieve it. So solution is like this. The only thing is that we have to open the command prompt with the admin rights and then simply just copy and paste it and you will get your original Windows key or the product key which you have lost. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video and it solved your problem, then please like it, share it, and subscribe the channel.